Hello, Titans. I'm Mr. Spilker, principal here at Papillion-La South High School, and I want to welcome you to our 2020-2021 virtual open house. We obviously wish we could do this face-to-face, but unfortunately, this year will not allow us to do that in a safe manner. So we are doing this in a virtual format. Please take the time to meet your students' teachers. It's so important to know the person that is in front of your student each and every day in the classroom. We have a great open house setup. I want to give a big shout out to Mr. Gehring for putting much of this together. He's put together a format where you can hopefully go through it and meet your students' teachers. One of the best parts of Papio South is the staff here. A lot of people say, we have such a nice school. It's such a beautiful facility. And I always say to them, wait till you meet the people. We have some amazing people here at Papillion-La South. And I'm really excited for this virtual open house because it will give you the opportunity to meet them. I want to say a few things about the 2020-2021 school year before we get into meeting those wonderful individuals. The first thing I want to talk about is our theme for the year. Our theme for the year is Getting Better Never Stops. That goes back to the key theme that we had when we opened this school, and that's striving for excellence in all things. And this year we want to build on that by clearly defining excellence. And when we define excellence, a lot of people think, well, excellence means championships and awards and high scores and things like that. For us, excellence is always striving to grow, learn, and change. And that's what we're trying to do here at Papillion-La South High School. We're always seeking to do things better. So what does that look like when we put it into action in our hallways and in our classrooms here at Papio South? Well, the first key point I want to make to you is that we're always eager to learn. It's very important that we're all lifelong learners. We want to create lifelong learners here in our students. And we also want to model that as staff. I know me in particular, I'm always looking to learn and grow. And the great thing is I see that all throughout our staff. We also want to never be satisfied. The minute that you think you've made it and you think you've accomplished greatness, that's when people pass you up. So we want to never be satisfied with where we're at. We're always seeking, as we said before, to grow, learn, and change. We also want to practice lift up leadership. What is lift up leadership? Lift up leadership is where we're always looking to encourage others, help people become their best. We're bringing hope to others and to their tough situations. We always have a positive disposition about ourselves, where we always believe that we can make tomorrow better than today. We always believe at Papio South that the best is yet to come. And that's lift up leadership. We also will never give up. We always talk about with our staff, we're never going to give up on students. They're students. They're going to make mistakes. They're going to have, some trip ups and some stumbles along the way. We're here to help grow them and support them. So we always have that never give up attitude. We also want to spread that to our students. We want them to have that never give up attitude in the classroom. We want them to have that never give up attitude when it comes to activities, when it comes to learning, when it comes to everything they do in these years that they spend with us here at Papio South. Our other main focus this year is safety. I can't end this video and this message to you without talking about safety, because that's the number one thing that we're really focusing on here in this current climate that we're working with, where we're trying to educate kids in the middle of a pandemic. The key thing that we're focusing on here with our safety is the 3 W's. And the 3 W's are wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. We're always talking about those 3 W's here at Papio South. Our students have done an amazing job so far with wearing their masks. We continue to make hand sanitizing and washing our hands a priority. And then we're always trying to remind students to watch their distance here. So the 2020-2021 school year, it's off to a great start. Our kids have been absolutely amazing. We're so thankful for the efforts of our staff. We're looking to keep that rolling. If you ever need anything throughout the school year, please don't hesitate to reach out to me here at Papillion-La South High School. You can always reach me by email, or you can reach me by phone. Just let me know if you ever need anything, Titans. Thanks for all of your support. Go Titans.